na!
Parang totoo yung muntik na na yun.
Muntik na dali. Yung game plan namin hindi nasunod. I told them to dictate the tempo right away. Wala nangyari. We didn't play good defense agad. We didn't start aggressive. Aside from that, we missed a lot of free throws. I think more than 10. That's one turning point there also. Hindi yung usual na game namin. But ganda rin, naka-experience hindi kami ng ganito. Si Lee and Borboran played well. Key baskets yung binigay nila. And then we had some stops nung last 2-3 minutes ni Elmer Spirit.
Yung 10 points kanina, yun na ba yung pinaka-biggest deficit na yung kanina yung first?
I think so. Sige. Yun ang pinakamalaki. Tsaka nahirapan kami kanina. We had a hard time matching up against FEU because a lot of their big mans, they can shoot from outside also. They're more on number 3. Hindi sila 4 and 5. Puro wing guys like si Bracaer. Wing guys. That's why I had a hard time kay Pampuna and Jagas makamatcha.
So, speed mo
Isa rin. Kaya lang, luckily, nung last, nakakuha kami ng mga stop. Pero muntik. FEU played well. They had a good game plan. Swerte kami kahit pa. I think 14 or 15 free throws ang minutes namin. Ilan ba?
Wala. So, you're going for lucky 13 minutes?
You will go for 13 sa Saturday yata. UP, alam ko UP, tapos Lasal.
Yan ang sure.
And UP muna. I don't know if you remember, last game namin last year, UP, tinalo kami. So, isa rin yun. Kanina rin, isa rin na nakita ko, yung ganda nila rin yung kanina, yung sa batas, played well kanina. Okay?
Hey, go!
Itukan lang sa lahat ng dito.